Devotee, are there any aids to concentration and casting off distractions? Maharshi, physically the digestive and other organs are kept free from irritation. Therefore, food is regulated both in quantity and quality. Non-irritants are eaten, avoiding chilies, excess of salt, onions, wine, opium, etc. Avoid constipation, drowsiness and excitement, and all foods which induce them. Mentally take interest in one thing and fix the mind on it. Let such interest be all absorbing to the exclusion of everything else. This is dispassion, vairagya, and concentration. God or mantra may be chosen. The mind gains strength to grasp the subtle and merge into it. Devotee, distractions result from inherited tendencies. Can they be cast off too? Maharshi, yes, many have done so. Believe it, they did so because they believed they could. Vasanas, predispositions, can be obliterated. It is done by concentration on that which is free from vasanas and yet is their core. Devotee, how long is the practice to continue? Maharshi, till success is achieved and until yoga liberation becomes permanent. Success begets success. If one distraction is conquered, the next is conquered, and so on, until all are finally conquered. The process is like reducing an enemy's fort by slaying its manpower, one by one, as each issues out. Devotee, what is the goal of this process? Maharshi, realizing the real. I hope you learn. Thank you very much. Om Namah Shivaya.